What's the meaning of casualization? Casualization. Casualization.
Casualization. Casualization. Casualization refers to the trend of employers hiring workers on a temporary or part-time basis instead of offering permanent, full-time positions. This practice has become increasingly common in many industries, including retail, hospitality, and healthcare. The result of casualization is a more flexible and cost-effective workforce for employers, but it also means less job security and benefits for workers. Casual workers often earn less and have fewer opportunities for career advancement. Additionally, they may not receive the same benefits and protections as permanent employees, such as sick leave and health insurance.